You gonna pull the train out?
The school bus.
You saw a school bus?
It's stuck.
It was stuck?
Yeah, that train. And it's gone.
It's gone?
We got a train.
What's gone?
One more train.
The train's gone?
Yeah, one more train.
No more train.
Boom train.
It went boom?
Boom crash.
It boomed and crashed?
Yeah. A boom train.
Say choo-choo train.
Oh, mommy.
Oh, baby. What was over there, Aidan? What was over there?
Choo-choo train stuck.
A what?
Pull out train.
What kind of train was that? Was that Thomas?
No. Thomas?
Who was it?
The Thomas train again.
It was Thomas' train?
You can't get Thomas again.
Wow. What about James? Where's James?
The choo-choo train.
Is he really?